The Village Council of Nongspung has appealed to the state government of Meghalaya for financial assistance to preserve and enhance Mau Sangri, a site renowned for its natural beauty and potential as a tourist destination. A delegation from the Village Council led by the MLA of Mauplang Matthew Beyond Star Kurba, Acting Sardar John Worthborn Kharmandai and the Chief of Hima Nongspung Kantius Aim submitted a memorandum to Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo outlining proposals for infrastructure development. These included the construction of an access road to the hilltop, the development of trails, signage, viewing areas and the creation of a pond and panoramic viewpoint showcasing the Mau Karwat and Mairang regions. The acting Sardar reportedly highlighted Mau Sangri's cultural significance, noting that local folklore regards it as the mother of Kralang and Simper, figures rooted deeply in the region's heritage. He emphasized that promoting this cultural narrative could enhance tourism and provide tangible benefits to the local population. He stated that with adequate development, Mau Sangri could become a key tourist attraction, generating income, employment and preserving the unique cultural identity of Nongspung. The delegation underlined that sustainable tourism could serve as a driver for economic growth and overall community development.
Minister juga tourism na benta pengikwa makadon kejaka hapo katan kejongi po Nongspung kata kadai kejaka ba pelang Simper kasilong try balong kum kayen kebeningkong te hakba menta ukalang lodon lagajong Simper lagajong henry kakemi haduk menta kadon po Nongspung kum kita kisien kita pau ba haduk menta ba kata kakemi haduk menta kadang jauh umat don mau bahaya te hak to mau ko kadang mi bet haduk menta dan nalur kita kibun jaga kibun internet khamtam apa area apa hima jungi impat don kita jaga jungoka kibi internet dan matang iwan pan kerpa di se melongi minister jongka resem be nirap happy day makan ni jeng terang jeng kuat jungi laliang nasional
yang menyelam lang maki kenu ya sapol minister domrom jungi apa jaga tourism ilaken badi te ila kerpat ba nagaliang jongi Nakasinong yang jangka penjuru ini persang giwi short DPR batai kendiat kat nur saya kan lut ban senai kata jaga bandit jo kata kalenti banyak cerita mereka bisna dan footpath nak seruk nomlong kena khla undum du kali undum nya tang nak kejat beriu bet tang footpath bet pois terjaga artli lightly ke batai hemne de dengan jungi nom simsu kapor in start no ina dalam meruga videografi kena ba kan insutu ya minister kena illa sanction ya kata projek entah juga Nongspung konstitusi Nongspung kesenong Nongspung hangte bisa tak bipon bitna kena bagi turis ru kinwan jualem ya kata han jungi hangte Nongspung tai